Right, morning everyone. I've decided this morning, it was a complete impromptu idea this morning because I just woke up at like 4 o'clock in the morning. I thought I'd pop down to Falmere this morning. Weather forecast is, as it is everywhere at the moment, bit of rain, bit of sun, bit of cloud. At the moment, it looks quite clear, the sun's just come out. They've got barn owls here. They've got fledgling barn owls, a fledgling marsh harrier. I was here the other day, saw those, but I thought I'd pop down because they've also got hobbies here as well. Whether we'll see any today, I don't know, but do you know what? I thought, let's get out and let's do something today, otherwise I'm just going to sit at home and do nothing. So let's see how it goes. Yeah, whilst we start off on the trip today, I just wanted to, I know I normally do this at the end of the videos, but I just wanted to say thanks so much to everyone that's subscribed so far. I mean, as of this morning, I think I was up to 99 subscribers, which is just absolutely blows my mind. So thanks so much, it means a lot, and I think it's to such a degree, it's like, this weekend was probably the first weekend that I was thinking to myself, do you know what? I don't really feel like going out. I'm not going to. And then this morning I've woken up and I've just thought, do you know what? For the past 13 weeks, I think it is, I put a video out every week, so I'm not going to change that. And I think that kind of holds true to how much value I have in with the subscribers and the likes and whatnot. So, no, thanks so much, and it's really cool having these people follow me on my journey, so we'll continue doing so, and we'll see what other new stuff that we see. But thanks again. So just come out of the reed bed hide, and that was really cool. So we've seen sort of female hunting and the juvenile. So I've got some video footage of the female sitting in the bush, but I've got quite a few photos of the juvenile in flight and hunting, swooping down, and the same with the female. Amazing. And this is I love the marsh harriers. They're absolutely fascinating. Not much else this morning, but to be fair, I didn't think I would see too much else. But I'm really happy with the marsh harriers. But we're just going to take a wander around. It's only going to be a short one today, and we'll see what else we find on our way round. that's really cool. Coming back round. Just loads of little great tits, I think, and long-tailed tits. And let's be honest, the long-tailed tits got to be one of the cutest birds out there. Yeah, loads. We'll carry on round and see what else we see. But yeah, it's been a fantastic morning. Moss harriers were absolutely fantastic. Got some little birds coming around as well, which is really good. But we're going to pop round to another hide in a second. Jewel hide, I think it is, and we'll see what's there. So we've been at Jewel Hide for about 20 minutes now, and there's not much going on here. You can hear a few warblers, but they're so deep in. Little family of coots, got a little bit of footage of them. But yeah, I think we're going to head off now. I've got so much editing to do when I get home. And then obviously we've got the footage of the marsh harriers that I want to get sorted, so I can get this put into a little video to get up. But yeah, it's not going to be a very long video. But as I said, I just wanted to get something out this week. Next week I'm planning a visit. Probably I'm thinking of maybe going to Otmore. That's in Oxford. I really want to go and see that site. And the weather's looking a little bit better, touch wood, for next weekend. So hopefully we'll have a bit of a longer video with a little bit more variety next week. But yeah, cool. Alright guys, I'm going to jump off. Thanks so much for watching and hanging around, and we'll see you soon. So that was heading back to the car, and that was absolutely fantastic. Just walking by the hut as you come into the reserve. Smallest bird ever. And I was like, what's that? Having a look. Little sedge warbler with the biggest fly that I've ever seen. Got some absolutely amazing photos of that. So we'll post them up in a second, and again I'll say goodbye for a second time, and we'll see you next week. Thanks so much.